So we're at the Garden of the Gods, located in Colorado Springs. It's a beautiful place. It's got a lot of cool things. You got the kissing camels. You've got the bouncing broad. You can take horseback riding tours through here. This is a lot to do. You can go to the nature center. So let's go check out the garden. So as I mentioned, they have kissing camels. They're right there. Let's go take a better look at them. Another cool thing about Garden of the Gods is you can actually get a permit and you go mountain climbing, rock climbing here at the garden. You go all kinds of stuff. Pretty cool. When you come to Garden of the Gods, you get a great view of Pikes Peak also. Really nice. No snow yet, but it's getting cold. It's 35 degrees. It's supposed to be 23 tonight. So.
Well, I'm sitting there wondering with a matchbox on my clothes. I ain't got no matches, but sure got a long way to go.
this rock is about a 2-mile walk from like where the Kissing Camels are at. So if you want to come and walk, you can. There's not a lot of parking here. There's okay amount, probably about 15-20 spots or so. So you might just have to rotate around a little bit to find one. But the walk or the drive is definitely worth it, because when you look at this from a physics perspective, you'll be like, there's no way this rock should be doing that. So let's go. So I'm going to show the video again, but just look at the bottom right hand side. That's the only place that's connected. So you have all that weight resting on that one spot. People touching it, doing all kinds of stuff, weathered, you name it. So let's go check it out one more time. So post in the comments what you liked about Garden of the Gods. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I got a lot of videos coming from Colorado, so stay tuned. Well, that completes our time at the Garden of the Gods. I hope you like it. Just a couple tips. If you want good shot parking, come to the central part of the park. They got the most parking there, and there's actually bathrooms that are heated. So if you come during the fall or early spring or the winter time, and you get a little cold, you can go in there and warm up a little bit too if you need to. So I hope you enjoy the Garden of the Gods. It's one of my favorite places in Colorado Springs.